Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your device is incompatible with this version of Android. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, easy fixes right here. Go ahead and restart your phone first. And after that, go ahead and install the application that you wanted to install and check if it helps. If that won't work, go ahead over to your settings app. You just got to use the search button and just type down updates. Okay. And here we have updates under security and privacy. Tap on updates. And go ahead and tap on Google Play system update. Okay. Just basically wait for the process to finish right here. And if it says your device is up to date, well, you're good to go. Go ahead and install the application or game that you wanted to install and you should be good to go. All right. Now, what if that still won't work? So if you do have a VPN, you can go ahead and try that. Okay. Got to use another country. It might be that the application that you're trying to install is not available in your country. Also, you can go ahead and try to download it from a third-party app store. Okay. You can go ahead and use the Galaxy Store, or if you have a Samsung device, you can go ahead and use the Galaxy Store or APK Pure. Okay, go ahead and try to install the application from there. Also, do not forget to check your storage. Okay, just type it down, storage, under device care, right here. Just make sure that you do have enough storage. Okay, now if all else fails, well, that means that your device is incompatible. Okay, as the app genuinely might not support your device's hardware or older Android version. So contact the developer for clarification and ask them nicely if they can include your version of Android and your device specifications just for you to use the application. Okay, and if your devices are relatively old, it might not meet the minimum requirements for the newer apps. That's basically it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.